Page 41, a sad story. 3/4 time with 1 sharp. So are we in G major or E minor? Well, look at the end. I say we're in an E minor, probably. Need to be able to do the scale on E minor and G major. 1 octave up and down if you don't know the scale. 2 octaves up and down if you do know the scale. This is a good piece. It's a kind of piece that makes for good sight reading. Sight reading is when you sit down and you try and perform it right off the bat without any practicing at all. You just play it. That's reading at sight. However, we're going to talk about it. Right hand first. Again, I want to play it all legato. Make sure I got a fingering that works. Starting out 5th finger here. In this position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, a dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. So if whatever beat a quarter note gets, a dotted half note gets 3 of it. In this case, it's 3 beats. And you were just doing this, and then reach up for the little finger up here. 2nd finger. And then here, measure 8. 1, 2. Yes, it sounds weird, but that's it. And then measure 9, it's 4 and then 1. 1, 2, 3. Reach the thumb down again, and then octave. I normally don't like using 3rd finger in that, but you're going to use 3rd finger again in a minute, so or you're going to use 4th finger in a minute, so that's the fingering in the book is fine, I guess is what I'm trying to say. 1, and then reach down for measure 18. You're just staying in this position. And thumb. So it's a little weird there. Left hand, quarter notes here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Apparently this is the melody. Sounds better than the right hand did. Now they want thumb on that B because it's easier to reach 3rd finger here. And then measure 9. It's 1, 2. And you just reach the little finger down. You're going on down to an A, and then finally a G. That's tied. You hold it down for 5 counts, and then 1 beat rest. It lets you move back up here. Do it all again. Put the hands together. And I'm still playing it all legato. B is by itself. The left hand lifts up and it comes back up. Okay, I'm sure it made sense to him at the time. Then we can go back and add the articulation, and that's the slurring. You lift up between the slurs here. This is awk, but the left hand is connected, but the right hand has 2 note slurs. Down, up, down, up. So lift up in the right hand. Now both hands get 2 notes. Now normally at the end of the 2nd line there, you hear going into the next line. I would connect that because it leads into it. But the way the last line is written, that doesn't work. So you pretty much have to lift up at the end of the 2nd line. Start that fray. Each one of these, see, each one of those starts fresh. So go ahead and lift up at the end of the 2nd line here. Starting with measure 16, you're here. Both hands are lifting up, but the left hand has a rest, so you lift up more. So that last line with the right hand lifting up like it does, it feels weird. Then we can add the dynamics. Now they've actually given 2 dynamics here. Okay. You have a PP under the top staff in the middle, and you have a P under the bottom staff. That's telling you the bottom staff is melody. You're going to play it out a little louder. So decide what soft is, and make the right hand, softer than that. And you crescendo up to moderately soft, and that's both hands. You're still on the soft side. You go back down in the right hand to very soft, and the last line is the same as the first, and soft and very soft. Then speed, andante isn't really slow. Andante is more like just a leisure pace. It's 1, 2, like you were gonna, and here's the feel. Well, here it's gonna be the beat because they're quarter notes. With 1, just a casual walk. 1, 1, 2, something. Something like that. My impression of it. You get into the music and feel this melody, but don't play it fast. Keep it on the moderately slow side, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I'd like to play it with you slowly. Now let's double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, but I will do the slurs. So I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.